So smoky and hazy. Oh man. Oh dang. You can hear all the crumblings, everything of the fireworks all over the place. So hazy over there. Oh my gosh. There's already been like multiple fire trucks and police cars. Oh my gosh, it's so hazy in here. I wonder if I can go this way. Yes, right there. I'm running out of gas slowly but surely. 75 miles left. I don't want to get more. Whoa. It's even hazy in this parking lot. Look how hazy it is. Sushi. Crazy to see like all of the shopping centers and stuff just closed. Everything is just closed. Restaurants, shopping centers. It's one thing with car life, I guess, is what you get with car life. It's closed everything. Restaurants, they might be open. It's just fast food. Oh, here's a fireworks stand. Might be closed too. Just so hazy everywhere. There we go. I can hear them, but I can't see them. Even Starbucks is closed. Look at that sadness. Yeah, not the best view. Oh, here's some right here. But I went by the park and stuff, and it's all freaking packed. Like, overflow. Everybody's, like, over there trying to get a view of the fireworks. Oh, now they're over there. Look how hazy the parking lot is. All haze. Oh, that's right there. Getting super hazy. Holy crap. This one right there. Above the fireworks stands, like right there. Just light them from the, they just light them from the freaking stand. That one's over there still. I wonder if they're just lighting them from the stand itself. That'd be crazy. Holy hell. What the heck was that? Like a gunshot. Oh, they got a good view right there. There's an excellent view. If you go down this way, I'll show you. You go down this way, a park that I thought would be empty. Every single soul in the freaking county is at. That's a pretty good view right there, the city. But yeah, you go down here. There's a little park to the right with tennis ball courts and stuff, and I guess that place that I was at, that freaking shopping center, Smith's drugstore, whatever. See, here's all the cars right here. I guess that's like an actual like watching small. Oh my god. Yeah. I guess that's actual firework viewing spot. Everybody's all on the left over here. Dude, they just do it for free here. They just find a hill and just camp. They don't pay no money for a show. This is the park. Freaking insane. Yeah. Too late. Too late to yell at those girls. Girls. I don't know. It's too late to yell at them. There it is. It's a good spot right there. Over there. Chill out. I'm going left though. Taking a left turn. Damn, son. Oh, man. That was not smart of me. I thought I could make it. Oh, man. Got all the covers up. Kind of. Forgot this part. Oh, my God. Got kind of a new setup. So, just trying this setup for now. And this thing is not cooperating. But yeah, never do that. Never do that. I don't know what I was thinking. I guess the light was green, so just thought just go. Maybe I had time, but when a freaking service vehicle is coming, don't ever go. But yeah, such a bad idea. You're probably pretty pissed at me, but yeah, don't ever go on that. Oh man, it's hot. Oh, it's super hot. It's like 100 degrees. Get my fan out, but I guess that just goes to show you how many freaking fires and emergencies there are. All those vehicles, like fire trucks and police officers going back and forth. So crazy. It's still going off now. It's gonna be impossible to sleep tonight. But yeah, not much to show. I just wanted to, I don't know, just show you something. But yeah, I wanted to do another video of like delivering and like fireworks and another area or something. But it's kind of actually hard to deliver food because of all the neighborhoods. They have like their little firework displays, so you have to like go around or like watch out for the fireworks burning and stuff. But it is what it is. It's kind of fun having the fireworks all around as you drive around, but you gotta be careful you're not like hitting people or running over fireworks and stuff. But yeah, thanks for watching. See you next time. Lock your doors. Lock them doors.